Hi, my name is Abby Alvarado. I'm an employee of the University of Illinois Extension Office, and I'm here today at our local food pantry to talk to you a little bit about a couple of ingredients that we see on our shelves quite often. The one we'll talk about today is dried milk, specifically non-fat dried milk. It's a very versatile ingredient. You can use it in many different recipes. It's very shelf stable, but not a lot of people know exactly how to use it. So let's talk a little bit about its benefits. So let's get into it. Dried milk is a very shelf-stable ingredient that you can keep in your pantry year-round. It is almost the same as liquid milk. All you need to do is add a cup of water and follow the directions on the package. It can stay in your fridge for 5 to 7 days. You can also use it for a thickener in a soup or a sauce that you're making at home as a replacement for flour. So let's head to the kitchen and see how we can use this in an everyday recipe. So let's talk about a couple different ways we can use this ingredient in everyday recipes. Today we're going to be making potato soup.
The ingredients for this recipe are 3 medium potatoes, 4 cups of reduced sodium chicken broth, a half cup of cooked ham, chopped, 1 cup non-fat dry milk powder, a half cup of onion, chopped, and a half a cup of corn. To prep for this recipe, wash hands with soap and water. Then wash potatoes and peel them. Cut them into 1-inch cubes. Place cubed potatoes into a large pot and add broth to pot with potatoes and bring to a boil. Partially cover the pot with a lid and simmer for 20 minutes or until potatoes are tender but not mushy. Then add ham, dry milk powder, onion, and corn to the pot. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 5 minutes. Serve hot.
And there you have it, a hearty bowl of potato soup using our ingredient of non-fat dry milk.
Eat, move, save.